How to see your Instagram Reels watch history. So there's a new feature with Instagram. So if you haven't already, make sure you have the current updated version of Instagram. You can go through your app store or actually force update it through deleting your cache and other things with the app. So if you do have the newest version, go to your Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and then go to the three bars at the top right corner. So from here, all you have to do is stay at the top of the section here and go to where it says your activity. And you want to scroll all the way down until you see where it says how you use Instagram and go to your watch history. So this very easily is going to show you all of your reels that you've watched in the past 30 days. And you can actually go through and select some and get rid of them if you want to. And that's it. It's really easy. It's a new feature with Instagram so that you can go through and watch your Reels history and either watch Reels again. But keep in mind, it's only for 30 days.